invited to present our platform of government. You only give me 1 minute. My regret is that I'd like to ask them, is that the value of our country? You count us out in seconds. Hindi namin palabas anong gusto namin. Kaya ako, I came up with this short tubag. Sagot, tapos yun na, kasi useless. I have so many things here, but I cannot.
Will you be open for another set of debate with other networks, Mayor, given the same scheme?
I think that they should reconfigure the format. I-reformat nila yan. You know why? Yung mga ribatal, wala na yun because the other guy would also present just like your irrigation, incentive, fertilizer. Wala kang mairibat eh. Might as well just allow us to talk and get some questions from the audience.
Reaction
Total, the social media is very active.